So, keyword research for beginners. So, basically, what we need to do is we need to find all the keywords that your potential customers are putting into the search engines like Google in order to obviously bring the right type of traffic into your website, the people who are potentially going to buy your product and service you're offering. So, here I am on Keyword Strategy Tool. This tool actually comes with a digital marketing strategy. So once you've actually done your research and you've got your keywords, in most cases people are then saying, okay, I've got this keyword, these keyword lists, now what do I do? And so that's why we provide a strategy with it. So they are available to you as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put in keyword research tool, like so, in the UK, and then click search. So here you can see I've got a list of 420 keywords that all have the words keyword research tool from a UK search in this particular instance. Now we have a positive column, so these are going to be keywords that we think are going to drive the right traffic. Negative keyword is keywords that we think we're never going to use in a million years. So if we only operated in the UK, obviously Germany, France, Australia, America, they'd all be negatives. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to use the hidden feature on the tool to be able to filter our keywords out as quickly as possible. So this is a really time-consuming task normally, but using this tool, there's a hidden feature. So if you put your mouse over the keyword you don't want, so you can see I'll put my mouse over the word free. Now, most keyword research tools will advertise free, but it's actually only a free trial. The reason that they can't really do it completely free is because every time somebody does a search or a query and it brings back data, it uses up an API that they have to pay for. So it's very rare to find something that is 100% completely free, and it's very rare to actually find a keyword research tool that actually comes with a strategy. So what we do is we find the keyword we don't want. In this case, I'm going to put free because although we have a free trial, in the grand scale of my digital marketing strategy, it's only a free trial. So I'm going to click on the word free. And what that's going to do is search the left column, the positive column. It's going to move everything over with the word free over to the negative column, because free is a negative keyword. So you can see here, it's actually moved over 134 keywords with the word free in. So you can see how quickly we can narrow this search down. We might say, okay, we don't want, for example, Google. So we can click on Google. And then if we look a bit further down, we've got maybe AdWords or PPC. Well, they are part of the strategy. We might say at the moment the tool only does Google at the top, but here what we're going to have is obviously Amazon, Bing, etc. So at the moment what we're going to do is we're just going to get rid of Amazon. So this is just a demo just to sort of show you, and we're also going to get rid of YouTube. So you can see out of all those keywords, 198 are negative keywords driving the wrong type of traffic, and we've got 222 which are positive. So we can export the positive, the negative, or what I tend to do is I export both the lists. So here you can see straight away that we've got all of our positive and all of our negative. And if you're going to follow the Logic digital marketing methodology, then this is an important piece of the strategy. To have these keywords is important. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to, when my computer catches up, I'm not quite sure what's going on there, here we go, so let's get rid of that. What this is going to do is it says send to search, okay? So send to search is basically going to send all of our positive keywords into another part of the tool, and we can then get a spreadsheet on all those keywords. But what we also get is an export in Excel, which is basically going to show us the data relating to all those keywords that we've identified as positive. So here on the top line here, you can see where we've got tool for keyword research, and then you can see how Google's clustered the data together. So you can see here 40,500 searches, £5.23 per click if we're doing paid advertising. The competition is low, and then we've got the last 12 months worth of data, so 8765, etc. So the idea here is that in any strategy, whatever keywords tool you're using, you are never going to get 100% accuracy on how many people are searching on what keyword, no matter what tool you use. And the reason for that is, if you imagine a line of 1,000 servers, you update server number one, it's going to take time to update the other servers, and of course that's continuous. So you and I doing a search query on the same keyword, we're looking at different servers, we're going to get different volumes. The only true way to do to get the actual proper data that you want to look at that's quite accurate is going to be through the paid advertising, and that's why that's part of the methodology. So don't be frightened by that, because you can start as low as just £1 a day just to get things going, identify the keywords, and then once you've identified all the negatives, and of course because we've done the negative keywords, we know what they are, so therefore the conversion rate is going to be higher quicker. So this is how we're going to identify what keywords we're actually going to go for, based on the volume, so how many people are actually searching per month, the cost per click if we're going to do paid advertising, and then the competition level. So obviously everyone is going for the higher numbers. If you are a startup, the chances are you have to start somewhere, and you would look lower down the list. And what you can start to see here is there's 140 people searching on this, but the cost per click is 0. There's nobody advertising against you with low competition. So SERP's keyword research tool is probably a good keyword, probably for your AdWords as well. So what we're looking for is gaps, if you like, or opportunities, low-hanging fruit on keywords that are going to bring in the right type of traffic. You know, a lot of people think you want, 1 million people on your website. Well, you only actually need those 100 people who are actually wanting to buy your product and service. So it's all about focus. So although it's only 10 people searching a month, etc., etc., you will and you do need a digital marketing strategy, which is why we give you that digital strategy with it that you can follow. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and there's obviously more videos to come, but that is keyword research for beginners. Thank you.